jwale le Floyd le ena le morapedise a ke kgone o re tla fetsa ngwaga kwa a ke tsebe o tla e fetsa kwa ngwaga o batla le morapedise ka ba ke
Bazala bam zitho, welcome to Umkosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni, Umkosi wethu namhlanje. Bazala bam zitho, it's about the ex-General Secretary of Umkhonto weSizwe, uFloyd Shivambu. Guys, it is confirmed that uFloyd Shivambu is no longer a General Secretary of Umkhonto weSizwe. He has been removed, guys. And today, uFloyd Shivambu ushila on his speech that he is grateful for the opportunity that Umkhonto weSizwe has given him, and he will never resign from being a member of Umkhonto weSizwe, even though angasana any position in the party. Guys, there were a lot of allegations a few months ago or a few weeks ago of Jacob Zuma that Jacob Zuma uzotosha uFloyd Shivambu from being the general secretary, and I think a lot of people were not happy of decisions that uFloyd Shivambu is making on the party and the leadership of uFloyd. But into today, after it is announced that he is no longer a general secretary of iKhoto weSizwe. A lot of people that also said at this point, I think abantu bakumkhonto weSizwe, they don't know what they really want. Or that time in mhlawumbe abantu, they said uFloyd Shivambu must be removed from being the SG of umkhonto weSizwe. Maybe are people that are not umkhonto weSizwe members. Maybe are people from the other parties. But guys, one thing I'll tell you that uFloyd did that is wrong is him into resigning from being a member of EFF, because there, guys, bebamhlonipha, they respected the leadership yakhe, they respected decisions like, and they respected him as a man. Since he joined the MK party, you could see that even my weaknesses they were out there, because a lot of people, they were not happy. I mean, I for one, guys, I'm starting to think a lot of people, they've joined the MK just because they want amanto izinto ama-positions on the party, because there's no way ukuthi everyone ongena yini ne-problem. And I mean, I believe in Floyd Shivambu, so ukuthi bamxoshe after visited the pastor. I don't know that we should call the Bushiri the pastor, but the shepherd the Bushiri church in Malawi, and then he don't know ukuthi yena uBushiri is no longer a pastor. Yena akakazi whoever about any ruling ebuya ecourt ethi uBushiri mele a-sentence for amacala wakhe. You know that uBushiri has done a lot of things, guys, and I did make a video here that I'm not happy Floyd visiting there, because a lot of people, they look up to Floyd, and the victims of uBushiri, they're here in South Africa. You visiting there as a member of a huge political party, it is wrong. So I think they should have given him a warning, guys. After listening to the speech, I don't want to lie, I don't know whether njengoba ba remove uFloyd bazobeka bani, but there are also other allegations that uTutuzile Zuma, Tutuzan will be joining, will be the new SG of the party. I don't know whether that is true or not, but I feel very sorry for Floyd. I think the biggest mistake after here, no, the biggest mistake he made, ukuthi resign from the EFF party, because Malema truly loved this man. And the sad thing about this whole thing is that Floyd didn't just destroy a career, a political career, he also destroyed a political career. I'll tell you why. Floyd, guys, Dr. Sandlov on podcast, she said, yena uFloyd wamtshela ukuthi he's going to resign. Yena azange atshela uJulius Malema, thinking it's a secret, guys. And even if I was uDr Ndlozi, I will never tell uJulius Malema into umuntu ayicabangala. uFloyd makasayitshela uMalema, akasasho ukuthi sekathi yena usekaveza ukuthi noNdlozi knew ukuthi I want to resign. We understand uFloyd into ayenzile inyakanyaka yenza ku-EFF, but I'm glad ukuthi EFF is still growing, and EFF is still showing the new members of EFF, or the new people that we were introduced to. They are working very hard, guys, and the EFF is still EFF and still the fighting part. But again, as for Floyd Shivambu, I don't know career, the political career is ophelela lapho, but at this point I think they say pelile. Maybe he'll join another party, because I've heard ukuthi i-ANC nayo engathi ayimfuni yena uthi i-ANC ayimfuni uFikile Mbalula akamfuni uFikile Mbalula uthi I do not know Floyd uFloyd waziwa uMalima I've never been no Floyd I've never knew of uFloyd nje waziwa uMalima mina umuntu uFloyd ngimazi through uMalima so I guess nje umoshe impilo yakhe ngento encane but bazalwane so please do comment down below your thoughts and please don't forget to like subscribe share and hit that notification button nginethanda ukuya nokubuya.